Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the DistributedCOM Error 10016 on Windows. This is a common issue and we'll go through a few simple steps to resolve it. Let's get started. Step 1. Change Service Startup Type. Click Start and type Services, then open it. In the Services window, click any service once and then press F on your keyboard to jump to the F section. Look for Function Discovery Resource Publication, not Function Discovery Provider Host. Make sure it's the Resource Publication one. Double-click on it. Set the startup type to Automatic, Delayed Start. Leave the service status as Stopped. Do not start the service. Click OK. Step 2. Disable Delivery Optimization. Open Settings, and go to Windows Update. Scroll down and click on Advanced Options. Scroll down again and click on Delivery Optimization. Make sure Allow Downloads from other PCs is turned off. Step 3. Reset Microsoft Store. Optional but helps clean up background errors. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog. Type wsreset.exe and press Enter. This will reset the Microsoft Store. If it opens automatically, just close it. Now that you've made these changes, go ahead and restart your PC to apply them. If the DistributedCOM error is still showing up, move on to the final method. Step 5. Disable Distributed.com, Advanced Use as Last Resort. Open Component Services by searching for it in the Start menu. In the left-hand panel, expand Component Services. Click on Computers. Right-click on My Computer and select Properties. Go to the Default Properties tab. Uncheck the option, Enable DistributedCOM on this computer. Click OK. You'll see a warning message. Click Yes if you're okay with the risk. This may affect some apps, which is why it's considered a last resort. If disabling DCOM causes new issues, you can always go back and re-enable it the same way. And that's it. Your DistributedCOM 10016 error should now be resolved. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you need help with anything else. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.